On April 25, 2021, at 3:19 a.m., SentriForce Monitoring Center detected an individual trespassing onto a construction property. Audible alarms were enabled, but the trespasser refused to leave the property. The trespasser was observed setting up pallets to create a fort. During this time, the construction site client was immediately reached and made aware of the situation as police were dispatched to the site. Not long after, just as the fort was coming to a completion, police officers arrived at the scene. Lights were shined at the fort, but it seems the trespassing fort builder has quickly hid and taken residency inside his new humble abode. Police officers proceeded to storm the castle and capture the would-be king. The trespasser was interrogated and removed from the property. Not all trespassers want to build forts. What will you do when trespassers are on your property?